गोंयांत 4 जाग्यांचेर पोटवेंचणूक जाल्ली. कांय जाग्यांचेर आमदारांनी पक्ष बदल्ल्यान जाल्यार कांय जाग्यांचेर आमदार संवसाराक अंतरल्यान. वेंचणूक जाल्ल्या 4 जाग्यांची मतमोजणी बेरेस्तारा जाली. 4 जाग्यांतल्यान 3 जाग्यांचेर भाजपाक जैत मेळ्ळें, जाल्यार शेगीत 25 वर्सां भाजपान प्रतिनिधित्व केल्लो राजधानी पणजी मतदारसंघ वगडावचो पडलो. पणजेचेर काँग्रेसीचो उमेदवार बाबूश मोन्सेरातान वट्ट 1770 मतांची आघाडी घेवन भाजपाचो उमेदवार आदलो पणजीचो आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकाराक हरयलो. जाल्यार गोसुमचो सुभाष वेलिंगकारान 516, आपाचो वाल्मिकी नायकान 436, अपक्ष 2 उमेदवारांक प्रत्येकाक 13 लोकांनी मतदान केलें, जाल्यार एकय उमेदवार लायक ना म्हूण 202 जाणांनी मतदान केलां.
थँकफूल टू ऑल माय कार्यकर्ता वेल विशर्स सगळे पणजेकारांचे आभार मानता. अत्यंत पक्षाक तांणी तेंको दिलो म्हणून.
What negative campaigning by BJP has gone against the BJP?
हे कारणी विवादाचं मागीर करतले, बट टुडे इज अ वर्डिक्ट, सो वी हॅव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. आय एम ऑल्सो हॅप्पी फॉर द नॅशनल सीन अँड आय एम ऑल्सो हॅप्पी फॉर द 3 seats दॅट वी हॅव वन.
खंय कमी पडले दिसता
मागीर कळटलें न्ही गो.
मतदारांक विश्वासान घेवंक पावंक ना, कारण 25 वर्सांची इतिहास आसा, रेकॉर्ड आसा तुमचो, तरी सुद्दां मतदारांक विश्वासान घेवंक
सगळी कारणी विवाद ती कळटली. पणजेकारांनी विश्वास दाखयलो.
First of all, I would like to thank the people of Panjim for showing trust and faith in me. Second, I would like to thank the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, the MLAs, the President, above all the President, Mr. Girish Chodankar, and all the other MLAs and the workers who worked tirelessly for my victory. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Jennifer Montserrat, because she was the main thing where I could not campaign the areas some which I could not cover. So she has left a really mark in those wards. So anyhow, it has clearly shown it is negativity never pays. You know, and most important, it shows because these people said that Panjim is not safe for women. I think Taligaon was safe for women for the past 17 years, and they have clearly showed that Panjim is safe for women with me.
And what about you have said that tomorrow you will form a new government in Goa once you are elected.
Wait and watch. No, things will happen. We will fall in place. I'm a little tired now, so I must get my
wedding anniversary. So
yeah. Thank you.
After 25 years, you are the person who defeated BJP seat.
Yeah.
So what is your comment?
And I tend to keep it for another 25 years for BJP also.
In your favor, what the factors?
See, my thing was what happened. I went on my development plank. I went on my manifesto vision for Panjim. They were only negativity. You just show me one instance where they said they could not basically challenge whatever I said. You know, it was very clear. They could not challenge. Plus, when the Congress Girish made allegations as far as the smart cities is concerned, those allegations they could not basically counter. These are the factors. People have seen the loot, what has taken place. And most important, I still feel Bai factor plays a role. Now they know what is the importance of Bai in Panjim.
And what will be your priorities now after you are getting elected?
You said about the casinos. Now, how you are going to remove this?
Baba, wait and watch. I will take it out. You don't worry. When I said I will take it out, I will take it out. This is my problem. No, I will take it out. Okay, casinos will go from the river Mandovi. That is my promise. Priority, I have got my vision document. So according to my vision document, it is all the people of, we have compiled it by all, taking all the views of all the people of Panjim, around 5,000 odd we had got reviews. So taking that into consideration, we have prepared the vision document. So from tomorrow we start to work on it.
म्हापशा काँग्रेसीचो उमेदवार सुधीर कांदोळकार आनी भाजपाचो उमेदवार म्हापशाचो आदलो आमदार सर्गेस्त फ्रांसीस डिसुजाचो पूत जोसुआ डिसुजा मदीं मतदाना वेळार वयर सकयल मतदानाचो आंकडो वाडटालो. भाजपाचो उमेदवार जोशुआ डिसुजान वट्ट 1113 मतांची आघाडी घेवन काँग्रेसीचो उमेदवार सुधीर कांदोळकाराक हरयलो, जाल्यार राष्ट्रवादीचो संजय बर्डेक 200, गोसुमाचो नंदन सावंताक 276, आपाचो शेखर नायक 242, अपक्ष दोगांक 542 मतां लोकांनी घातल्यात. 280 जाणांनी एकय उमेदवार लायक ना म्हूण मतदान केलां.
हे इलेक्शनाक जे आमी पळयलां म्हणजे म्हाका जे वोटींग पडलें बरें 10,000 पावलां. पयलीं सगळ्यान पयलीं हे आमचे पक्षकार तेंच्यांनी जो म्हाजेर विश्वास दवरून जे आमचे कार्यकर्ते ते बऱ्यापैकी वोटींग तेंच्यांनी केलें 10,000 पावले. त्या बद्दल हांव तेंचे मना पासून सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी जे सोशल हेतून हांव आसा तसोच ही कामां करपाक हांव फुडें आसता. पण आतां ना कमी हे साहजिकच न्हू. गव्हर्मेंट तेंच्या आमचे सायडीक इवन पळय आमची म्युन्सिपालिटी जावं आमचे सगळे कावन्सिलर ते सायडीक घातले. लास्ट मुवमेंट आमचे CM सुद्दां थंय इनवॉल्व जाले. गव्हर्मेंट मशिनरी इनवॉल्व जाली. हे जाल्या कारणान तरी आसतना हांव आमचे स्वाभिमानी म्हापशेकारांक खूब देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. 10,000 हेचेर हांव पावता.
मिसयूज केला म्हणटात तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट
आनी हितून साहजिकच आहा तें आनी सांगपाचें ना. तितून व्हडलोसो फरक ना न्हू. पण तेंचे काडले नो डावट. आतां तो नासलो जाल्यार ती 500 म्हाका 300-400 म्हाका पडपाची ती एक जावंक शकता डिफरन्स. पण फायनली गव्हर्मेंट मशिनरी जावं ते इनवॉल्व जाल्ल्या कारणान हे
तुमचें काम चालूच आसतलें.
नो डावट म्हाजें काम चालूच आसतलें. काल पासून म्हाजें चालू आहा. हेचे फुडें चालूच आसतलें.
तुम्ही काँग्रेसान सामके
आतां सद्या आमी काँग्रेस पार्टीन जॉईन जाल्ले आहा. म्हणजे काँग्रेस पार्टीचें म्हाका काम करूंकूच जाय. जे पार्टीन आहा तेजें काम करप शेवटी लोकांचें काम करप. म्हजें सदांच आतां इतले सुद्दां लोकांनी हो मॅन्डेट दिला जे आमी कितें तरी काम करता जावं हे हेका लागून लोकांचेर विश्वास आहा. जावं व्हडलीं कामां जालीं ना तर बारीक तरी कामां जी सोशल हेतून म्हाजे कडेन कितें जाता ते सगळे पर्यंत ती कामां हांव फुडें आसतलो.
Opportunity to thank him personally. There are so many people that have to be named. The leaders of the BJP, Bab Satish Dhon, Vinay Tendulkar. It is an overwhelming moment at this moment. So in case I have missed out anybody, please do. I apologize for that. Now the results have been declared. We have to go for the final counting. I would like to take this moment to thank the people of Mapsa for supporting me throughout the campaign, and I will not disappoint you all. I will do my best to work towards a better Mapsa and for the future of Mapsa. Thank you.
Do you feel it was a close fight for you?
Yes, it was a close fight, but we have got the voting that we have expected. 10,000 plus is what I had expected. The last election we had about 10,960. So we have crossed this time with about 11,000.
Being a young MLA, number of assurances have been given by you. So how would you look into that?
What is that?
A number of assurances that you have given in your manifesto and all. So how would you look into that in the next 2-3 years which you have now?
I have about 2.5 years left to complete the term. So with the help of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Government of Goa, we'll do what is best, and with whatever time we have to complete as many works as possible during the remainder of this tenure.
So Mapsa bus stand is the first priority?
Yes, Mapsa bus stand is the first.
Time and again you have been this kind of...
Joshua, your dad was known to be winning by a huge margin, and this is completely climbed down. What do you feel about it?
It was a 1-to-1 fight. The only opponent, if you look at the numbers, is the Congress, and they have pulled quite a lot of votes for the first time ever. So they have worked, they have got a good candidate, so I'm sure that has worked to their benefit. But in terms of maintaining the votes, we have maintained the vote share that we have had in the past.
मांद्र्याचो भाजपाचो उमेदवार दयानंद सोपटेक काँग्रेसीच्या उमेदवारा परस अपक्ष उमेदवारान घाम काडला. मांद्रे मतदारसंघात भाजपाचो दयानंद सोपटेन 3,943 मतांची आघाडी घेवन मगोन तेको दिल्लो अपक्ष उमेदवार जीत आरोलकाराक हरयलो. जाल्यार काँग्रेसीचो उमेदवार बाबी बागकार तिसऱ्या नंबराचेर पावलो. ताका 4,221 मतां मेळ्ळी. गोसुमचो स्वरूप नायकाक 615 मतां मेळ्ळी. एकय उमेदवार पसंत नाशिल्ल्यान 444 लोकांनी मतदान केलां.
कांग्रेस को 17 लास्ट टाइम दिया था, वो थोड़ा कांग्रेस कम पड़ा सरकार बनाने की, वो एक नाराजगी है. अभी जो टिकट डिक्लेयर करता है तो बहुत टाइम मांगता है. अभी सब जनरेशन अलग हुआ है आणि एक्सरसाइज मागता है.
कमी अशें कांय ना, आमी बरी फायट दितात, अजुनूय चालू आहा, 2 रावंड उरल्यात. सो बरें आहा, सद्या तरी बरें आहा. इंडिपेंडंट रावन इतले वळ हें करप म्हटल्यार इतले इजी न्हू. पळया 2 रावंड उरल्यात, तो 2,000 वोटांनी लीड आहा, 2 रावंड आनीक उरल्यात. सो लेट्स सी, वेट एंड वॉच.
By giving me big victory, we may say again I will be the giant killer in Mandre. First time I have defeated as a chief minister to to Lakshmikant Parsekar. This time also I defeated Lakshmikant Parsekar, not by that independent candidate.
How it is?
Total votes pulled by independent candidates, I can say 80% of the votes of that Lakshmikant Parsekar. He is telling himself as a loyal to the party. He has proved that he is not loyal to the BJP. What he has shown in this by-election. You can say anything. Banda, Gaddari with party. You see, I think it is better to ask this question to the higher authority of the party, not to me.
But as leader of that constituency, do you think that
You see, definitely. If you ask me particularly with that Mandrem constituency, definitely.
It should be sacked from the party.
Definitely. The party, पार्टी जेन्ना एका माझे सारख्या मनशाक किंवा कार्यकर्त्याक आमदार करता, मंत्री करता, मुख्यमंत्री करता आणि तोच माणूस जेन्ना पक्षाची गद्दारी करता तेन्ना कितें म्हणप हे तुम्ही समजून घेयात.
What will you ask now? Do you want a portfolio or something? Because that was one of the
That it depends on the party leadership.
तुमची मार्जिन 3,000.
My dear friend, in by-election 4,350 the margin is double than that. Last time when I defeated that chief minister of Goa, that Lakshmikant Parsekar, that was 7,500 only. This time 4,315. That is in by-election.
So, what are the factors which have gone in favor?
Factor, you see, when my workers are there with me, those were there in 2017 election. Same party workers remain with me in 2019 by-election. This is my strength. This is my strength, and I proved my workers proved that Dayanand Sopte is something is different than Mr. I don't know to say that Mr. Then Lakshmikant Parsekar.
What would you want to tell him direct?
शिरोड्यानंय तीच परिस्थिती जाली. भाजपाचो सुभाष शिरोडकारान 76 मतांची आघाडी घेवन मगोचो दीपक ढवळीकाराक हरोवपा खातीर यश आयलें. जाल्यार काँग्रेसीचो म्हादेव नायकाक 2,402 मतां मेळ्ळी. पोटवेंचणुकेचे 3 जाग्यांचेर भाजपाच्या उमेदवारांक जैत मेळिल्ल्यान भाजपाची विधानसभेंतली संख्या 17 जाल्या. तशेंच सध्या गोंय फॉरवर्डान 3 आनी अपक्ष 3, राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस 1, जाल्यार काँग्रेसीची संख्या 15चेर पावल्या आनी मगो 1.